Imagine a warm tropical morning where rows of papaya trees stretch endlessly under the sun. Each tree carries dozens of golden green fruits, hanging like lanterns, slowly ripening. This is where the journey begins, long before the fruit reaches a factory, a supermarket, or your dessert plate. Papaya may look simple when sliced open, but behind its sweet taste lies a complex, carefully controlled process that combines farming, science, technology, and human skill. Today, we step inside a modern papaya factory to uncover the entire journey, from farm to dessert. Papaya farming starts months before harvest. Farmers carefully select high-quality seeds, often from hybrid varieties developed for sweetness, color, disease resistance, and uniform size. These seeds are germinated in nurseries where temperature, moisture, and soil conditions are closely monitored. Young papaya plants are delicate and require protection from pests, strong winds, and sudden changes in climate. After several weeks, when the seedlings are strong enough, they are transplanted into open fields where they will grow for 6 to 9 months before producing fruit. Papaya trees grow quickly, but that speed comes with responsibility. Farmers must constantly monitor soil nutrients, irrigation schedules, and plant health. Papaya trees require consistent water, but cannot tolerate waterlogged soil. So drip irrigation systems are often used to deliver precise amounts of water directly to the roots. Fertilizers rich in potassium help improve fruit sweetness, while nitrogen supports healthy leaf growth. Throughout this period, farmers inspect the trees daily for signs of disease or insect damage, because even a small infection can spread rapidly and reduce the quality of the harvest. As the fruit develops, timing becomes critical. Papayas harvested too early lack sweetness and aroma, while those harvested too late can bruise easily and spoil during transport. Skilled workers inspect the fruit by color, size, and firmness. A slight yellowing of the skin is often the signal that the papaya has reached the ideal stage for harvesting. Using sharp tools, workers carefully cut the fruit from the tree to avoid damage, placing each papaya gently into padded crates. Once harvested, the papayas begin their journey to the factory. Transportation is done quickly to preserve freshness. Trucks are often ventilated or temperature-controlled to protect the fruit from heat and pressure. Every hour matters, because papayas continue to ripen even after being picked. By the time the trucks arrive at the factory, the fruit must still be firm, clean, and undamaged. At the factory entrance, the first stage begins with receiving and inspection. Crates of papayas are unloaded and placed on conveyor systems. Quality control teams inspect each batch, checking for size consistency, surface defects, bruising, and signs of spoilage. Any fruit that does not meet the factory's standards is removed immediately. Some rejected papayas may still be used for animal feed or compost, ensuring minimal waste. After inspection, the papayas move into the washing section. Here, powerful yet gentle water jets remove dust, dirt, latex residue, and microorganisms picked up from the farm. Food-grade sanitizing solutions are often used to reduce bacteria and ensure food safety. The washing process is carefully timed, as excessive soaking can damage the skin, while insufficient washing can compromise hygiene. Clean water flows continuously, and filtration systems recycle and purify it to reduce environmental impact. Once washed, the papayas are dried using air blowers and soft rollers. This step prevents water from interfering with later processes like peeling and cutting. As the fruit moves along the conveyor belts, cameras and sensors scan each papaya, measuring size, shape, and color. Advanced factories use optical sorting systems that automatically classify the fruit based on ripeness and intended use. Some papayas are destined for fresh fruit markets, while others are selected specifically for processing into desserts. Next comes the peeling and cutting stage, one of the most visually fascinating parts of the factory. Machines equipped with precision blades remove the outer skin without wasting the flesh underneath. The papayas are then sliced open, revealing their vibrant orange interior. Black seeds are scooped out and collected separately. These seeds are not discarded. They are often dried and used in cosmetics, animal feed, or even traditional medicine, adding value to what would otherwise be waste. The papaya flesh is then cut into different shapes depending on the final product. Some are sliced into cubes for fruit cups, others into thin slices for drying, and some are crushed into pulp for purees and desserts. Every cut is measured and controlled to ensure uniformity. Consistent size not only improves appearance, but also ensures even cooking, freezing, or drying later in the process. At this stage, temperature control becomes extremely important. Papaya flesh is sensitive to heat and oxidation, so the processing rooms are kept cool. Conveyor belts move smoothly, minimizing friction and damage. Workers wearing protective clothing monitor the machines and remove any pieces that do not meet quality standards. Hygiene protocols are strict, with regular hand washing, equipment sanitization, and air filtration to maintain a clean environment. For papayas destined for desserts, the next step often involves ripening control. Some factories use controlled ripening chambers where temperature, humidity, and ethylene gas levels are adjusted to achieve the perfect sweetness and softness. This ensures that every piece of papaya tastes the same, regardless of natural variations from the farm. The science behind ripening allows factories to deliver consistent quality year-round.